Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 8.3 question number 6. Arif took a loan of rupees 80,000 from a bank. If the rate of interest is 10% per annum, find the difference in amounts he would be paying after 1.5 years if the interest is compounded annually and the interest is compounded half yearly. Let us find. Here is C. Here is C. Time is 1.5 years. That means first of all we have to find the interest for 1 year by 1 year using the compound interest formula and half years for simple interest for half years, right? Therefore, we will find here we know that amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 plus R by 100 to the power n. Here principal is given is rupees 80,000. This is the principal into 1 plus R by 100 1 by R. R is 10%, that is 10 by 100. And n is we have to find for n equal to 1 year first. N equal to 1 year, that is n equal to 1. Then we are getting 80,000. We are getting 80,000 into 110 by 100. This 0 will cut, and this 0 will cut. Therefore, we are getting rupees 88 and 1 2 3 zeros. 1 2 3 zeros, right? This is the amount. Therefore, now we have to find the simple interest for 1 year. I know that simple interest is equal to PRT by 100. PRT by 100. Now after 1 year, the principal will be this one, rupees 88,000, right? 88,000. This is the principal, 88,000. The rate of interest is 10%, 10 by 100, and time is half years. Time is half years. That is 1 by 2. Time is half years. Or we can write in this way that we can write 10 into 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Right? This 0 will cut, and this 0 will cut, and 2 5 is 10. 2 5 is 10. If we calculate this one, it is 88 into 5. Multiply 88 with 5. 5 it is 40. 4 it is 0. But 40 plus 4 is 44. 4 for 0. 4. 4. 0 and 1 0 is there. Rupees 4,400. That is the simple interest. Right? Therefore, we are getting for 1 year, the amount is rupees this one. For half years, simple interest is rupees 4,400. This rupees. Then we will find the interest here, right? Therefore, we find that interest for first year is equal to interest for first year is equal to amount minus principal. Amount is rupees 88,000 minus principal is 80,000. Therefore, we are getting rupees 8,000. This is interest for first year, and interest for second year is 4,400. Interest for half years interest for half year is equal to rupees 4,400. This one, rupees 4,400, right? 4,400. Therefore, total compound interest, therefore, total, total compound interest is equal to rupees 8,000 plus rupees 4,400, 4,400. That is, total is rupees 12,400. That is 12,400. That is, we are getting 12,400, 12,400. This is the total compound interest. This is the total compound, 12,400. Now, the total amount is rupees. Find the amount first. Total amount, difference in amount, then total amount. Amount is equal to rupees. Amount is rupees. Principal plus total compound interest. Principal plus compound interest. Principal is rupees 80,000. That is, principal is rupees 80,000. And total compound interest is rupees 12,400. 12,400. If we add this one, then we are getting rupees. We are getting rupees 92,000. 92,000. 80,000 plus 12,400. Right? If we add this one, we are getting 92,400. Getting rupees 92,400. This is the amount. In the first case, this is case number 1, compounded annually. Right? Therefore, we are getting amount A1 as rupees 92,000. 92,400. I will solve the second question, that is compounded half yearly. Right? Amount we are getting 92,400. Now we will go to the next step. The second case. Amount is rupees 92,000. In the first case, the amount we are getting is, in first case, we are getting question number 1. Amount is equal to rupees 92,000. 92,400 with 92. We are getting rupees. We are getting rupees 92,000. Rupees 92,000. Rupees 92,400. 92,400. This is for question number 1. Now let's see question number 2. Compounded half yearly. Here you see that principal is equal to rupees 80,000. 80,000. If it is compounded half yearly, rate of interest is 10% per annum. 10% per annum. Therefore, we can write here as 10 by 2, that is 5%. 10 by 2, that is 5% per half year. Per half year. Half year. And n is equal to 1 by 2 years, 1.5 years, 1 by half years. 1 by half years. That will be equal to 22, 3 by 2. 3 by 2 into 2, that is 3. N equal to 3. Here n is equal to 3. Therefore, we are getting amount as rupees. Amount, we know that amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100. P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. To the power n. Here you see the principal is rupees 80,000. 80,000 into 1 by r by 100, 1 plus r is 10%, that is 10 by 100, 100 to the power n is 3, n to the power n is 3, n is 3, therefore we are getting 80,000, 80,000 into 110 by 100 into 110 by 100 into 110 by 100, right? Therefore we are getting this rupees as after calculation we are getting rupees we are getting rupees 92,000 92,610 610 after calculation this one, right? Therefore this amount is 92,610 and in the first case the amount is 92,400. Therefore difference in amount, difference in amount difference in amount difference in amount is equal to rupees 92,610 minus 92,400. You subtract this one, then we will get rupees. The first one is 92,610, and the next another amount is 92,400, 400, that is we are getting 0 1 210. The difference is rupees 210, right? The difference in amount is rupees 210. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.